Welcome to the most powerful meditation series. Today, we'll explore 7 universal evening mantras. Evening mantras improve sleep by reducing stress and switching the brain to rest mode. Just 5 minutes before bed with simple phrases can help you fall asleep faster, deepen your sleep, and make your morning more energizing. The key is to repeat them regularly while practicing slow breathing. Let's begin. For deep relaxation, I release this day. My mind is calm, my body relaxed. With every breath, I sink into peaceful sleep. For relieving anxiety, fears and worries fade away. I am safe. Tomorrow is a new day, full of possibilities. For gratitude, I thank this day for all its lessons and joys. I embrace life with love and trust. For clearing negativity, all that no longer serves me leaves my body and mind. I am filled with light and peace. For manifesting desires, I fall asleep believing in miracles. My dreams become reality as I rest. For health and restoration, every cell in my body is healing. I wake up refreshed and full of energy. For lucid dreaming, my sleep is a magical journey. I am aware of and remember my dreams. How to enhance the effect. Repeat each mantra 3 to 7 times, either whispered or aloud. Visualize negativity dissolving into darkness while your body fills with golden light. Share your experiences in the comments after at least 2 sessions, and write down your favorite mantra from the 7 along with a wish for other viewers. This will amplify the power. Important. Mantras are like muscles. The more consistent you are, the stronger the effect.